So we are now at Nakalele blowhole. I'm not sure if I say that right, but I'll probably put like some caption there. Oh no! So we just went to see it, but we can't really go down because it's far. It is like, it's very deep.
A few minutes later.
New since 6, we're learning more about an apparent drowning in the waters off Maui. Olivine pools in Haleakala.
This guy. Ay, nako, Babs. No bathroom, no problem. Ano ka ba? Nakakahiya. Sana may dumating na kotse.
Well, it depends on how long the trip is.
The next day.
So it's our day 3 here in Maui. I'm just on my way to go get some breakfast. And then later on we're going to Iao Valley. And after that we're going to Haleakala crater. It's actually up in the mountain. I heard it's 10,000 feet. So we're so excited for that. Hello. So I'm now going back to our villa. I'm pretty sure the wife is hungry now. Hopefully she's cooking the spam. Because I got a rice and tomato here, and I'm starving. I woke up at like 3 in the morning because I still have jet lag. But yeah, I guess that's how it is. That's a villa right there.
Today's Island Hits.
And I'm just gonna park in front of it. Oh yeah. Such a good driver. Morning, Babsy.
Hi, Bobby.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Smells good.
I know, right?
Wow. Hawaiian breakfast. Mom. Look what I have though.
Oh my God. What is that?
Charan! And I have
Ketchup?
something. Charan!
Ketchup? No.
No ketchup. Tomato's good. It's fresh.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Hi everyone, we're off to Iao Valley and it's an hour and a half drive there. We're just picking up some lunch because I'm craving for some fresh seafood poke bowl. And here's my husband.
Hola. I mean, aloha.
Aloha. Then after Iao Valley, we're gonna catch the sunset in what was the name? Haleakala crater. See you later. Mountains to the left, oceans to the right.
It's time to eat. So we got some spicy ahi poke, plain rice, and spam musubi. And there's a red hot dog and crispy chicken. And I think there's some kimchi. There's more kimchi there too. We are in heaven, Bubs. I couldn't see anything but clouds.
And me.
And of course,
Love you.
love you. So we are actually on our way to Haleakala National
Crater.
Park or crater. We're trying to catch the sunset above the clouds. But we're worried about going back because it's gonna be dark here. There's no lights around.
Dark and full of fog.
Yes. So we'll see. We'll see what we decide later on. 'Cause, yeah, we're kind of scared going back. finally got here at Haleakala National Park. We're actually above the clouds right now. We'll show you.